Hello, my name is Coben Boone, and I'll be doing my PowerPoint over distillation process in petroleum engineering. Distillation involves the separation of materials based on differences in the validity. This is the first and most basic step in the refining process and is processor to cracking and reforming. Cracking involves breaking up heavy molecules into lighter and more valuable hydrocarbons. The action of purifying a liquid by process of heating and cooling. Distillation continue. In fractional distillation, a cut point is the temperature that defines the boundary between two crude oil fractions that are being separated from the lighter faction. That cut point represents the end point of temperature below which all the light fraction components boil. Distillation fractions. The different hydrocarbon components of crude oil are called fractions. The fractions are separated from one another using a process called fractional distillation. The process is based on the principle that different substances boil at different temperatures. When you evaporate the mixture of kerosene and naphtha and then you cool it, the kerosene condenses at a higher temperature than the naphtha. As the mixture is cooled, the kerosene condenses first and the naphtha condenses later. Distillation process. The distillation process separates the major constituents of crude oil into what is referred to a straightened run product. Sometimes crude oil is topped by distilling off only the lighter fractions, leaving a heavier residue that they often dissolve further under higher vacuum. The crude oil distillation unit is first processing unit in virtually all petroleum refineries. The crude oil unit distills the incoming crude oil into various fractions of different boiling ranges, each of which are then processed further in the other refinery processing units. The crude oil unit is often referred to as the atmospheric distillation unit because it operates at a slightly above atmospheric pressure. Refining of crude petroleum. The refining of crude petroleum owes its origin to successful drilling of the first oil wells in Canada in 1858 and in Tucksville, Pennsylvania in 1859. The lowest boiling raw product from the still was straight run naphtha, a forerunner of unfinished gasoline petrol. Petroleum engineering. Petroleum engineering is a field of engineering concerned with the activities related to the production of hydrocarbons, which can be either crude oil or natural gas. Exploration of production are deemed to fail within the upstream sector of the oil gas industry. Petroleum refinery processes are the chemical engineering processes or other facilities used in the petroleum refineries, also referred to as oil refineries, to transform crude oil into useful products such as liquefied petroleum gas, gasoline, petrol, kerosene, jet fuel, diesel, oil, and fuel oil. Here's a diagram. Here's another picture of a refinery, and that concludes my presentation. Thank you.